Okay, basically I've just got some sand here and with a bit of gravel in it. I'm going to push it in and then I'm going to put the gold on top so that you can see that that it's all going in there. Right, so now we've got the gold on the top there. I'll get it into the raw water. Okay, so basically I start off by going backwards and forwards just like a washing machine. That's basically getting the gold down to the bottom. I give it a bit of a stir just in the bowl. Make sure it's all broken up. Basically by now, throw the big rocks out. By now most of the gold will be on the bottom. So I go round and round and round, just get that dirt going over the riffles. See how I've got the dirt moving inside the pan? Get into the middle. So right, all that gold should be in that central trap now. And all I'm doing now is panning it off just like a normal pan. I've got all of these riffles here to catch any gold that spills out. So there's all your gold there. The gold there, you got your snuffer bottle.